Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. Alright, AUDUSD analysis today. So before we start the analysis, I just want to show you the results of my EA. So if I come here, and this is a demo account for $10,000, as you can see. So this is a demo, but we have made some profits. So you can see we started this account on September 5, 2025. And I think in the last 2 months, we made 12,899. Okay, so almost to $2,900 profit. Okay, and this is by the software. So in the beginning, I told you can go and get the software and it does the swing trading on automation. Okay, so you can see this profit amount right here, and this is in action. So I'll probably keep coming back to you, show you the results in my videos. Okay, so go and check out if you want to, otherwise it's fine. Coming back to the chart here. Now you can use this video for nzdusd as well. I don't record separate videos for nzdusd. So coming back to weekly time frame here. Weekly, we are rejecting it, but week is not over yet. It's only Wednesday. So let's come back to daily chart. In daily, we are trying to go down, or rather a zigzag. So this is your support actually. So if I draw the line, I think price should come back to the support before bouncing back. So we'll come back to this. Let's see in 4 hour. Yes, that's it. So 4 hour is our downtrend. As you can see, this is your downtrend. Rejection has come from the EMA. Close your eyes, enter short, and I will not tell you where to exit. Okay, but trade is down, short, sell, AUDUSD. This candle is your entry. So this is a 4 hour candle. As soon this candle is closing or closes, you enter short and take your profits. I don't know where. Okay, I'm not going to tell you everything for free. Okay. Anyways, so look for shorts in AUDUSD. That's it. Subscribe, like blah blah blah. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.